Hi friends, welcome back. In previous video we saw how to set up WordPress on your hosting or HTML and link that WordPress website to your domain. Now in this video we will know how to install a WordPress theme on your website in WordPress dashboard. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for now we will search that what we have on our website. So for that we will search for our website, that is new nexus 𝘀𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗀.com. So for now we have this interface on our website. For now we will install a plugin that we have already downloaded in our system. We have a theme in our system. Now we will install this theme on our WordPress website. So for that, click on appearance, click on themes. Here you have option to select some WordPress themes that are already present here, but we will upload our theme. So for that, click on add new theme, click on upload theme, choose file. We have this one, click on open, click on install now. Now theme is successfully installed. Now click on activate. Here theme is successfully activated. Now we will refresh our website. Here you can see the website, how our website is looking after installing the theme. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.